In this problem, we would like to take our previous code to do the greedy robot iteration to make it a more recursive function. The first, all of these functions are the same from the previous code. Read the matrix, within get neighbors, argmax. But all what I'm doing now here is switching the function from an iterative process to an a recursive process. So the idea is as following: we pass here default arguments 0 and 0 for where I am now in the grid, and with every single step I am going to get my neighbors. If there are no neighbors, we are going to return, which is initially assigned to the current cell value. Otherwise, if we have a path, we are going to get the values of this path, the next direction, and we are going to iterate recursively on this direction. For example, let's say we are initially here at 0 and 0. Then out of all of our arguments, 1 and 1 is the best one. I'm going to recursively call the matrix with 1 and 1, which will call the matrix recursively with 2 and 2. In our case here, 0, 0 will call recursively at 1 and 0. Then 2 and 0, 2 and 1, 2 and 2, and so on. So the moral of that is, instead of keep doing that in an iterative way, I switched it so that the function is jumping to the RNC that is the next position. With the best case, if no more neighbors, we are done.